Hey guys, I'm Ryan from Contender Bicycles. I'm going to show you just a few measurements you can take. It's good if you're going to go out and maybe rent a bike somewhere and you need someone to set the bike up, or if you're dealing with us and you're looking for a new bike, this is going to help us just get the fit really close right out of the gate. So we're going to base everything off the bottom bracket because that's kind of the cornerstone of the fit. So the first thing we're going to do is saddle height. We're going to take a measurement from the center of the crank bolt to the top of the seat, right here, kind of where your pubic bone would touch the seat. The second thing is going to be to get the saddle set back. We like to use a straight edge like this, either on the corner of the wall or like an open door. We're going to line that up with the center of the bottom bracket, and then we're just going to take a measurement from how far behind that the saddle nose is. So that's going to help us get the saddle height and the saddle setback. Once we're there, we're going to start looking at positioning the handlebar in the right position according to where the saddle is. The first thing we're going to look at is the drop, so how high the bar is in relation to the top of the seat. So we're going to use the same point we measured to for the saddle height, and we're going to measure from there to the ground, and then we're going to go to the front of the bike and we're going to take the same measurement from the top of the handlebar to the ground. The difference in that is going to give us your bar drop. In some circumstances, the bar will actually be higher than the seat, and you would note that as maybe a negative drop. Finally, the length of the front end. We're going to use the nose of the seat as our kind of guide point, and we're going to measure to the center of the handlebar. And then you can also do from the nose of the seat to the top of the grip or the hood. That's going to help. In some circumstances, the bar reach is going to be different, and then you can kind of average out those things. Finally, just a few other things you might want to note. The tilt of the saddle, the length of the crank, which is typically stamped or marked on the back of the crank, and the last thing would be the width of the handlebars. We try to do it consistently across all brands. We try to measure from the center of the drop to the center of the drop on the other side. But note that some brands measure outside to outside. But if you do center to center, you'll always get the same. So anyway, hope that helps. And thanks. Come by and see us at Contender. Thanks.